What's up, everybody? Welcome to JD Mobbing. My name is Big D, and I will be your host for this evening. Not really special going on tonight, just going on a little cruise.
Oh, it's split, but I don't want a repeat of last time.
I feel like, then, up there. Oh shit.
Fuck it. Good shit.
Oh, look at that. Muay Thai kickboxing. Interesting. I feel so self-conscious, like, with everybody being able to see me. Like, everybody outside on the street. There's just fucking glass windows. I can see all of them training. I can see all their shitty ass form. I'm just playing. I don't really know where I'm going. I'm taking the first left I see. There it is. Exploring the rich beach neighborhoods. Redondo Union High. I had a wrestling tournament here once. Yep, Redondo. We kicked their fucking ass. Well, at least I did. My opponent. No, I'm pretty sure we all kicked their ass. My whole team. With the exception of a few. They got a pretty nice field. Dollar Tree. Oh, you know what? You know what? I know what I'm gonna do right now. I know what I'm gonna do right now. One of my coworkers, she told me about morning glory seeds. Supposedly, if you eat enough of them, they make you hallucinate. Like shrooms. So we're gonna go. She said she got them at the Dollar Tree, so we're gonna see if they have them. I'm not gonna fucking try that shit out. Apparently you gotta eat like 50 to 100 of them. That's gotta fuck your stomach up, but I just want to see if they have them. I promise you, that's all I want, is to see if they have them. That's all I'm gonna do here. I'm not gonna buy them. Can't get more compact than this. Well guys, I did not find any seeds at this Dollar Tree. So yeah, didn't find any seeds. Maybe they have them at other Dollar Trees. The street is this, it's Palos Verdes Boulevard. The fucking street sign is gone. There's no street sign. See that? Time to find my way home. Don't know exactly where I am, but I'll figure it out. See if my sense of direction is any good. Oh, this is Torrance Boulevard. Oh. My bike's better. This is Prospect Avenue. Let me turn right. Yep. Wait, I may be confused. I thought I knew where I was for a second, but I think I was mistaken. Yeah, wait. Nope, I was not mistaken. I am next to Redondo Beach. I mean, Redondo High. Redondo Union High. Are you high? Are you fucking high, bitch? Are you fucking high, bitch?
You're fucking high!
I'd like to be high right about now. Oh, a fucking rock just hit me in my goddamn eyebrow. I have my fucking visor up. Oh my god, I just remembered. I need to show you guys something. This one time when I was riding at night with my fucking face shield up, and a goddamn moth or some shit flew into my goddamn helmet, directly into my fucking eyes. Like it hit me in the goddamn eyeball, and I was blind. That thing was fluttering around in my eyes. Couldn't see shit, and I fucking dropped my bike. Straight in. Oh fuck! Fucking A. That fucking bug just flew right in my face. Right into my fucking eyes.
Really?
Yeah.
What the fuck? I wasn't even recording, damn it.
God damn, dude. Piece of shit bug. That shit literally went right here. Started flooding around in my eyes. Like, what the fuck? Yeah. Thing like almost flew into my mouth too. Good thing I was only going like 5 miles per hour. That shit was fucking stupid. And the drop! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Bruh.
I need to go to Six Flags. I love roller coasters. God damn, I love roller coasters. Swear to God, if a fucking bug flies into my face again, I'm gonna fucking die. Hawthorne Boulevard. Yeah, buddy. Oh. Heart attack. Someone had a heart attack. Man, I feel bad for all you cagers and your boring ass enclosed death traps. Just sitting down in your boring ass environment. Nah, I don't know. Maybe you enjoy your cars. Maybe you got a nice fancy sports car that can go fast. Who am I to say, huh? Who am I to say? But I do feel bad about you guys having to wait in line while I can just cut up here to the front. I'm just kidding. I don't feel bad at all. You can all go fuck yourselves. Oh, fucking. Oh my god, I just had one of the biggest scares of my life. Thought I had fucking lost my phone. Jesus Christ. Hey, fuck you, man. You don't just go onto the fucking street and then go onto the sidewalk at a red light. Get the fuck out of my way. You don't just fucking ride on the street and then when you come to a red light, go in the fucking crosswalk, bitch. It's not how it works. I'm hungry. Fucking dumb piece of shit. Fucking bicyclist. He goes on the fucking sidewalk and then crosses the street in the crosswalk on a red fucking hand. Fucking dumbass. Hey, you know what? Bicyclists are supposed to be on the street. But, like, he was in the right-hand turn lane. If he wanted to go straight, should he have been in one of the other lanes? Or could he still have gone? No, I'm pretty sure he has to be in one of the other lanes. Someone tell me. All I know, though, is that guy's a fucking retard. God damn. God damn it, people learn how to drive. Please. This world would be a lot safer if you guys knew how to fucking drive. I want to go to I want to party right now, man. I want to go to a fucking ratchet ass big house party or even a mansion party, man. I want to get fucking hammered and just act the fool. Who's with me? Who wants to fucking party, dude? Let's go fucking party. I don't want to go home. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good night.
I'ma be on the next level. I'ma be rocking over that bass treble. I'ma be chilling with my mother crew. I'ma be making all them deals you wanna do. I'ma be up in that A-list flicks, doing one-handed flips, and I'ma be sipping, don't trip, cause I'ma be shaking my hips. You gon' be lifting your legs.